Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sid, the Garage Boy. Today I'm going to show you something interesting. This is one of the vehicles that I'm doing right now, Volkswagen Passat. I'm trying to assess it, diagnose it. So basically, I figure out where the sound of knocking sound is coming from. There is a camshaft position sensor light on. I went ahead and took it after my diagnostics were done. Without doing the compression test, I did go ahead and take it to a Volkswagen dealership and they wrote it off. They said the engine's gone, I need to go ahead and replace it. You know, I have the whole, list that they, as far as the assessment goes, like $4,000 engine, $2,000 installment fee, so on and so forth. So I did compression test on the car, it passed. I did have the compression results. So I had 175, 180, 180, 175. So as you guys can see, cylinder 1, 175, 180, 180, 75. So there should not be a difference more than 10%. So for example, if this was 175, cylinder 4, cylinder 3 should not be like 105, something like that. So that's a cause for worry. And then you got 180 here, and then cylinder 1 can be maybe right around 95 compression PSI, right? So they should be right similar compression as far as the PSI goes, and right around the same area. Then the engine's good, the engine sounds good. But check this out, I'm going to show you something different where I would not have thought of. I luckily came on to it, and this is something that that could be the cause. I haven't yet done it, replaced it, but I'll show you right now. Check this out. Right here, and then this is your engine. So I'll show you something interesting. When I was trying to move the vehicle back and forth, I saw a sound and this whole engine was moving. Right now it's on jack stands. As you can see, I can't really move it. It'll be a good idea for me to remove it from jack stand and show you, but check this out. I'll go ahead and remove the jack stand, but look at this. Look at this bolt right here. It's broken. This is the engine mount. This is your transmission right here. And this is your engine right here. And that's the bolt. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. It literally broke off. And the engine is basically tilting when I move the vehicle. And that could be the cause of the sound, the knocking sound or vibration sound that's coming, where they went ahead and wrote it off, even though the compression was good afterwards. So they basically wrote off the engine. So I don't know if you guys can see it here. Yeah, there you go. Do you see? The bolt should be this size right here. It's one of them that's holding, but it should be right here as well. And it's not there anymore. So let me show you now. When lowering the car, I'll show you. Basically, I'm gonna push the vehicle back and forth with my legs. You guys will basically see how the engine's moving. So I'm gonna remove this. This is the mount that I actually got to fit it on, so it doesn't move from your end. I don't know if I was able to capture it over the video. I'll go ahead and check if it's been captured. But yeah, I went ahead and got the engine mount over here for the Volkswagen. So this way maybe I could reduce some of the sound. That one's gonna basically sit right here. As you can see, that's the mount right there. It's gonna sit basically right there. I'm gonna replace it with this one. This is brand new. I also got the one where the screw was broken off of, which is right here. I got this handle. I got the area where the holder for the mount. So hopefully this will reduce the vibration, that's reducing the sound. We'll see. So I'm gonna get on with it and I'll turn the car on and let's see if the sound in part 1 that you guys heard, if it's still making the same sound. Like always, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, use the bell icon. You know, like I said before, I know you guys are watching, so might as well subscribe, right? So there are views, right? There are views, so just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll keep showing you these type of secrets, like the engine secret of why it was making such vibration and sound of knocking, right? Knocking of the engine. So I'll go ahead and get that going, replace the mounts, and I'll do like a part 3 and let you hear the sound. All right, guys, thank you so much.